Hey glam getters, welcome to my channel. Today, we're diving into soft glam makeup, perfect for beginners. This is your ultimate guide. What is soft glam? It's about enhancing your natural features with elegance. Think glowy skin, defined eyes, and a hint of color on your lips. It's ideal for any occasion. Here are the essentials. Start with a good moisturizer, followed by a hydrating primer. This creates a smooth base. Next, foundation. Choose a lightweight, buildable formula. Use a damp sponge. For concealer, pick one that matches your skin tone. Apply it under your eyes and blend. Eyes. Start with a neutral eyeshadow palette. Brown and beige shades are your best friends. Apply a transition shade in your crease. Then a slightly darker shade on your outer corner. Blend. Add shimmer on your lid. Eyeliner is optional. Finish with mascara to open them up. For cheeks, use blush that complements your skin tone. Apply it to the apples. Highlighter time. Apply it to the high points of your face. Lips. Choose a natural shade lipstick or lip gloss. You're ready. Application techniques. Remember, less is more. Start with a small amount and build up. Blend seamlessly. Use circular motions. Don't forget your neck. Blend your foundation down to avoid harsh lines. Practice makes perfect. Pro tips: clean your brushes. Use setting spray. Experiment with colors and products to find what works for you. Watch tutorials. Makeup is about expressing yourself. Soft glam is versatile. Great for daytime, date nights, or feeling good at home. It's also easy to customize. Prefer subtle? Opt for lighter shades. Want dramatic? Add shimmer and a darker lip color. That's it, your guide to soft glam makeup. Hope this video was helpful. Like and subscribe for more beauty tips. Thanks for watching.